Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be all about a new product I received. Actually, I bought. My first time purchasing anything from this brand, and the packaging and the shadows look so beautiful. Lemonade palette from Dominic Cosmetics. Here it is right here. And then it slides to this pretty pink and yellow palette. Look at how pretty those shades are. I love these colors. Also, it comes with a mirror, so it's a plus, of course. It comes with 10 shadows, and they're pretty big. I made my finger, so it's pretty big. So, let's do a fun look with this one. Let's do some swatches first. This lemon soda. Kind of like a little chunky glitter. Then we got pink lemonade. The nude tea, really nude transition shade. Here is peach. Really pretty peach. Here's my favorite color out of this whole palette. Cucumber. Really pretty green. Okay, we got mango and sweet tea. Two mattes. This one's chai tea. There's the last matte. So we got strawberry and blueberry fizz. These are totally different from pink lemonade. These swatch a lot better. Look at how pretty these are. Let me put pink lemonade right next to it. This is pink lemonade right here. You can tell the difference. Pink lemonade, strawberry, and blueberry fizz. Sweet tea, which is this one right here. Which is all over the crease. Look at how pigmented that orange is. It's so pretty. Next, I'm going to take chai tea, which is this shade right here, into the inner crease and then outer corner a little bit, just to darken up that little bit. Just to deepen the crease a little bit. I just want to use as much color as I could. And I'll do another look later on. I'm going to get a smaller brush to go into the inner corner right here, because I don't know why I can never get this inner corner. Now to use concealer from Oz. Now I'm going to be wetting my brush with Fix Plus and going in with Cucumber first. So I got Cucumber. Look at how pretty. My favorite color. I'm going to be using Blueberry Fizz for the rest of my eye. I'm going to be applying mascara. I'm going to use a Pixie Large Lash Mascara for my eyelashes. This one right here, it's pretty good. I'm going to take chai tea for under eyes. corner I'll be using lemon soda. Two lashes. We're gonna do wispies. Smells like sweethearts. Ooh, this one's really pretty. This is such a fun color. I just wanted to do something fun with this. But I'm gonna change it to a nude. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. This palette is a thumbs up. So I said a beauty, I remember a beauty box or toss. I'm gonna do that again. So it's a beauty box or toss palette. Definitely a beauty box. It's going in my beauty box. Gonna keep doing more looks on this, and I love it. I'm so glad I purchased it. This is really good eyeshadow, really pigmented. It blends so nicely. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.